why don't you show me Zhuhai? Zhuhai. Oh, I want to see Zhuhai. Please, why don't you show me Zhuhai?
Okay, so we're in WANZAI. This is a part of Zhuhai, not too far from Sapala ruins, which we couldn't see from here, but if you walk down that way, there'll be a port, and it goes across to the Macau side, but we're on the Zhuhai side. Let me put that up on the map, and then we're gonna walk around and kind of show you what it looks like. So stay tuned, and you can see a little bit of WANZAI. Okay, we have a site to Zhuhai. Let's put this up on the map. We're in this WANZAI district, which is not too far from Macau. You can see it up on the map, and it's the coastline across from the Macau Peninsula. And there's a lot of development, a lot of new stuff. So I wanted to see what it was like myself, and let's take you there with me so you can see it exactly as if you're there yourself. Let's do it. Zhuhai, WANZAI. Okay, so WANZAI is, so you saw it up on the map, you can see exactly where we are in Zhuhai. And we're a little bit up in the hills. There's a little bit of hill stuff that I was seeing to get up here a little bit. And then you can see basically a residential area. Kind of a nice residential, I don't know if it's, I like it. I like the density. I like having proximity to everything. Plus they have all these like rooftops. So like if somebody lived here, they'd probably get a nice rooftop. Unless you live there, then you get a cage. But over there you get some balconies down that way. So I kind of like that. There's some security cameras right there as well. We're just gonna explore and see what it looks like. More little alleys. That's a dead end alley. And this one you can see kind of goes up into the mountain. You can see mountains in the background as well. Delivery driver. So behind us would be Hengqin Island. We'll just keep on walking down. I like how everything is like so accessible. So if somebody lived right here, they could have access to a lot of different things, right? A little bit quiet. It's a Monday afternoon. Okay, let's see. Some restaurants in here. We have a noodle restaurant. Let's see what's around the corner here. Some more balconies, some... Yeah, these things, like, I don't know how Zhuhai will develop. It's changing. The city's changing significantly all the time. But you know, these are just filled with residential places where people can live. And some of Zhuhai is kind of spread out. So when I see this kind of density, I personally really like it. And there's an area called Baishan Village in Zhuhai, which is kind of a trendy, hip area. But you know, like areas like this, I could see some corner of it also becoming trendy and hip, you know, as well, with nice restaurants and different types of things. Especially as this is not too far from Macau. You can actually take a ferry. Let's see. And those high rises down there, that overlooks Macau. Just give you some viewpoint. Street's a little bit quiet, but it's also like kind of in a corner of Zhuhai. You know, you got mountains on one side, ocean on the other side. And so this is kind of where all the different people live, and there's some highways that go through along the water side. You can see the mountains in the distance there. Hair shop. Some kids playing today. More for the convenience store. More little alleys, more restaurants. So these restaurants, they're like 16, I just saw the prices, they're like 16 RMB, which is like $2 So you could get like a bowl of noodles for 16 RMB. It's like a massage shop. There's a little alley going up into the mountains there. Fresh durian, so you can get some durian right there. So yeah, I do wonder how this will all change someday. Like right now, everything is like more residential. Huh. So this little alley looks like it's like they go down a little bit. I can see somebody's head just kind of went down. Hello. Hello. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking straight, and then in a little bit we're gonna walk down into one of these alleys. So we could go down into one of these alleys right here. I think this is gonna come to an ending up here. So we're gonna go down and kind of get a little bit lost and explore. This will get really residential, so I don't know what people will think of somebody walking around the camera, but I want to walk towards into the middle of stuff. So the kids are gonna follow me down. It's fine. These are like Lingnan style housing right here. But all this is all boarded up. So that means this probably has a lot of history to it. So we could actually go either way. Let's walk down this way. We'll just kind of see what we can all see in these areas. I think that's delivery. So just keep on walking down. So yeah, it looks like it's basically like residential. That's one street, and it kind of gets into like little alleys everywhere. Let's just kind of meander into one. Now we're out into the main road here. Into another main road. So yeah, let's see, there's the kids playing basketball. They must be going to, there's a place that I saw earlier where kids can play basketball. Down that way. But I think what I'm gonna do, I think right there's a market. Places to sit. You get like flowers right there. And I think this is a market right here where we're gonna go check it out and see what it looks like. You can buy pottery. Let's go in and take a look. Huh. Fruit. Okay. Food looks good. Got vegetables as well. Oh. Looks really good. Looks really fresh. Really, really fresh. Wow. Really vibrant. Oh. Okay. How huge some of those things are. Wow. Amazing. Okay, so we're gonna meander. Oh, everything just looks so huge. So fresh. Wow. Pretty clean too. I don't even know what that one is. Okay, so now we're gonna get into the fresh fish. And I think I'm gonna go down this way. Eat some meat. They really present it well too. Peanuts. Wow. There's a bunch of different fish. Okay, so we're gonna meander out. So yeah, this is I think there's actually a WANZAI fish market that's not too far from here, where people buy food from the restaurants. This fish is kicking. Trying to get out. So really fresh. Okay. So let's meander further down. Now we get into the shopping mall area. And I think this is a spot where I think I'm going to turn the camera off. But so we basically got to see a little bit of a neighborhood. Maybe I'll keep it on just a little bit longer. Just going to see what's around the corner here, because I'm sure if you've never been to WANZAI, you probably want to know yourself. Durian. Restaurants. Now you can see some of the apartments. And what I want to do next is I want to we're gonna come to an ending of the video in a moment. So now you can see that we're coming out into if we keep going straight down that way, we'll go to we'll see Macau. You can see a little bit of Macau in the distance already. But this is all part of this WANZAI area. You see it goes up to the mountainside behind us. And then yeah, so straight ahead, I'll just walk it. It feels like it's a little bit boring to walk this stretch of it, but I'll try to keep entertaining with some of the trees, some of these beautiful palm trees that go straight like that. It's kind of, oh wow, there's something up there called Nordic Farmer. But yeah, this is going to change. And then straight ahead you can see Lisboa Casino, like in the distance. And right in front of us, we're going to try to go across here. Right in front of us there's like something called Nordic Farmer. And all these apartments. Let's just look at this Nordic Farmer real quick. Nordic, of course, is a Scandinavian reference, so. Wow. Nordic Farmer has pretzels. Huh. Love pretzels. Nordic Farmer. Okay. So it looks like I think I'm gonna have to come to an end. Here's a banking right here. There's a couple banks. So this right here is a little bit of the more money side of it. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna end it. But yeah, there's Grand Lisboa straight ahead. I was about to check out those amazing pretzels, but actually they don't sell pretzels. But that, I wish they did. So we're walking parallel to the ocean right now. And I decided I'm gonna just walk down that way, kind of see, get a feel for this. Bank of China's right there. So that little WANZAI community was up there. And we're just gonna go down there and then we're gonna go down that way. So that's the street we were just walking down this way. You can see all these apartments up there. They're all kind of dense up towards the mountainside. And it kind of looks like we have more down this way and down that way. So that whole side is like these kind of residential areas like that with some businesses in. Hello. Thank you. And then right down that way it's going to be the Macau side, so we're probably going to walk down that way. But it looks like it can go all the way down and all the way down that way. Pond 16 is on that way. We're going to go over there because I want to get in some shade. Oh, and actually right here too is the railroad station right there, which is going to be down that way. So let's get across the street. So yep, that's the mountain direction. And then this is like basically these are all these tall apartments everywhere. It looks like, I bet there's probably like some kind of park in the middle that all these people can enjoy, most likely. And we're gonna try to get into the shade a little bit, and we're gonna walk straight down. Then that way we can show you the Macau side down that way. Kind of cool. It's cool. So they have a name for that, the Macau Bay. So the Macau Bay for WANZAI. Okay, let's go show you the Macau Bay. We'll get down there. It's another reference, Macau Bay. And that's a bridge. And over there you can see, I think we're at a hotel right now. Anyways, so that follows this major road that goes across and follows, and then you can see Macau in the distance. There's Macau Tower right over there. Grand Lisboa and Pond 16. And then here's a train line right there as well. So don't think we can really get a very good view of that beyond this. But yeah, so this is basically where the bay is at, and yeah, you have this major road that crosses it, kind of blocks access to the waterfront there. But WANZAI would be as close as you can get to that view right there of seeing Macau. So I think there's a ports that come in here, and there's a train station they built right there as well. So later this will probably develop into something quite a bit different. Okay. So on that note, let's end our video.